We're now going to talk about how we simplify factorials. And simplifying factorials is simply taking a fraction which has factorials on it and finding the smallest number that this is. So remember that by definition, n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. And if I see an n factorial on top and an n factorial on bottom, those divide out and become a 1. So the way I always do this is I find the one that has the bigger number, the 13, and I break it down, 13 times 12 times 11 times 10, until I see the same thing on top as I do on bottom. And then these divide out, and this leaves me with 13 times 12 times 11, which is 13 times 12 times 11, which is 1716. So that's what 13 factorial divided by 10 factorial is. Now we could also do this if we had variables, such as n factorial over n minus 3 factorial. Well, again, in this case, the top is bigger than the bottom, so we're going to get n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 factorial over n minus 3 factorial. Divide out the factorials that are the same, and my final result is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. And notice that worked here in this case. 10 is 3 less than 13, so 13 and 13 minus 3 is 10. And it was just the first three terms, factors rather, multiplied together.